Hello guys and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to actually edit guest responses as a host on Evite. So the first thing you have to do is to go to sign into your account and click on the profile option here. Click on my invitations where it will take you to all the invitations on your um, account, the ones you're invited to and the ones you are sending out. So I have this event Tuesday May 20, which is hosted by me. So to actually get your to edit or see what your guests are saying, click on manage events here. It will take us to a list here. So we can see we've not okay, we only have one guest, Becca, here, which is still the host me. So add a you can add your guest from this section. Once you finish adding, if they have a response, you would see them here. They would appear just beneath this host, and then you can this is where you can actually remove, edit, or just check in general what the guests are saying or reacting to. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day.